Good morning, traders. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So, let's start our analysis with natural gas, gold, and we're going to look at crude oil as well today. So, let's start with natural gas first. So, as you can see, we took this trade yesterday, and unfortunately, this was a losing trade, but that's totally fine, guys. That happens. We can't get every winning trade. We also can expect losing trade as well. That's what the market is all about. All you need to do is to do your risk management. Make sure your lot size is decent. Make sure you only take, like I personally take 2% risk of my equity. So make sure you do that so that it helps you to control your emotions as well. If you place a small position, or if you place a position according to your lot size, then you won't get panic. Yeah, that's fine. If the stop loss is hit, we can get and we can enter another good trade. So that's what happens in trading. We can't get every winning trade. And so if you're in a business, you can't expect profit all the time. You can have some losses as well. So just want to throw that a psychology part of aspect in this video as well. So let's start our analysis with gas here. So as you can see, the market has hit our stop loss and now it's above, and we got a level of resistance right above here. So let's say if we have a hit of this zone, and from this zone I will look for an engulfer or a double top entry from, and if we get this sort of condition, I will check the ATR and I will take my targets accordingly. So at this point I will wait for an entry condition, and if you see this current candle, let's say if this current candle closes below, and let's say if it closes at 4.657, if it closes here, then I expect market to move down according to the ATR. So it depends on this candle. If it closes above right here, then we can look for another good entry condition. And if the market, let's say, break above this zone, do not just enter a buy trade. Like I personally, what I do, once we have a break of our resistance zone, I look for at least two green candle, and then I look for a pullback, and from here I look for entry condition to take next long trade as a trend continuation trade. So that's how I take my trades, depends on the entry condition. So let's check on Oanda. So right here on Oanda, you can see we are at the resistance level. Let's say we get a next bigger candle, a red candle, then we can take short trades according to the ATR. If we get this pin bar sort of thing, let's say if the candle closes here and we get a 382 candle, then we can set our entry, a sell stop entry few pips below. Let's do it below 20 EMA. So once, let's say we have a big fall, our order will be hit and we can take profit according to the ATR. So wait for the entry condition. We can get some consolidation followed by a double top move. And if you have a break above, big break, wait for at least two green candles, then look for a pullback back to this zone and take a long entry from here. This zone is still, we have this zone 4.772, and this zone goes up to 4.997. We have this minor zone between 4.832 and it goes up to 4.880. Let's check gold. Right, so gold has respected our level right here, if you remember what I've said in my previous video. So gold is now broken below our level of resistance and paused at 50 EMA. It's still not broken below 50 EMA. So I won't be looking for any sell trades. I will still look for long trades, or we can expect a pullback between this zone. We might get a head and shoulder pattern from here. So I'm expecting gold to hit this zone, and from here I will look for sell trades. Right, so gold has respected this zone, and yes, we got a nice entry right here, this engulfing candle, and gave us some nice $16 move down. As I've predicted in my yesterday's video, we got some nice move down from gold. So what to expect next? I still expect gold to hit our zone, which is 1973. Once we have a hit of 1973, I expect a bounce back to the zone again, as gold is still bullish and above 50 EMA. I will only look for short entries. Let's say if we do not get any sort of entry reason from 50 EMA, like an engulfer entry, and if we break below, let's say we have a big retracement below 50 EMA and closes below 50 EMA, then I will look for either a next red candle to take short trade, or I will look for a retest and a bearish engulfer to take short trades from gold, and I will set my target 180 ATR above and 180 ATR below. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil has given us this nice engulfing candle. in this zone, and now it's in the process of retesting this zone. Once we have a retest done, and after that, let's say we have a touch of this zone and we can still get a touch of 50 EMA, and from here I will look for an engulfer entry. Once we get an engulfer candle or double top sort of move, I expect some move down from crude oil as well. So keep an eye on all the zones. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Take care.